The Marines of 2nd Battalion, 14th Marine Regiment, 4th Marine Division conducted their annual training at Fort Sill, Oklahoma, using one of the Marine Corps' newest weapons systems.
Well, the HIMARS is the Marine Corps' unique rocket artillery. 214 represents exactly one half of the Marine Corps' capability. There's one active duty battalion and one reserve battalion. So it's very important that we maintain this readiness as we look to the future coming out of Iraq and Afghanistan to see whatever threat might be coming up next.
The high-mobility artillery rocket system rounds leave the launcher at speeds more than twice the speed of sound and travel as far as 26 miles. The Marines of 2nd Battalion, 14th Marines are the only reserve unit in the Corps with this new capability, and so they must train as such.
Each platoon operates comparatively to what a traditional cannon battery used to, where they have their own fire direction center and their own firing units. So it allows a lot of flexibility on the battlefield. It makes the smaller unit commanders, like the platoon commanders, that much more empowered. They have to make battlefield decisions. They have to make field emplacement decisions. They have to man security and plan security. So it makes each platoon almost its own little firing battery. So it's a lot more intense in that aspect.
Their annual training exercise that ran from June 1st to the 15th included the HIMARS system, various weapons ranges, night fires, and several military and leadership classes. Reporting from Fort Sill, Oklahoma, I'm Corporal Michael Ito.